Hi Manish, welcome to our show.
Hello, thank you.
The first time you're here, so super welcome.
Thank you very much. Thanks for calling me.
Yeah, our pleasure. Okay, Manish, you're super successful on television. You're a known celebrity. You've done very well for yourself. Why this move to the silver screen?
See, I think any actor who comes to Mumbai, I think eventually comes here for Bollywood.
Big dream.
Yeah, big dream, absolutely. And I come from Delhi, and I think the day I came here, that was the dream I had. I wanted to be in films, but I wasn't desperate. I wasn't here just for films. I believe I'm an entertainer. So I think whatever medium it be, I wanted to entertain people. So I think I did radio, I hosted, I acted on TV, and now I think the next step was movies. So I think here I am.
You know, the most TV actors that I've interviewed, be it Ayushmann or be it Sushant Singh Rajput or Rajiv Khandelwal, they always say that, what TV gives you, movies can never. The movies also, they have their pluses. But, the kind of wide reach that you have, you are into everyone's bedroom and living room every day, literally. You don't get the same gratification on silver screen.
See, to some extent, yes, that's right. Because the kind of reach television has, movies don't have that reach. I think not everybody can spend that kind of money and would like to spend money and go and watch movies like that. But I think TV is, always there. I think you're having your meals, mostly your TV is on. I think that's with everybody. So yes, that is true. But I think things are changing. A lot of people are wanting to watch movies. A lot of people are ready to spend money, ready to go and watch movies in theaters. So I think things are changing.
And also certain risk because, when you're an actor, it's like stardom comes with it. And it's also like a bubble. So it could burst. The TV longevity is more because, you're going on and on. So that fear is always there, isn't it?
No, frankly, I don't think about that because I've never worked in my comfort zone. I've always liked to get out of my comfort zone. The moment I feel that, okay, fine, I'm secured, I'm in my comfort zone, I like to move on. Same happened with radio. I was quite happy. People were enjoying my show. And I thought, okay, fine, it's time to move on. I moved on to television. I was doing acting and frankly, I wasn't very happy with the kind of roles I was getting. Creativity-wise, I wasn't very satisfied.
Feel stifled creatively?
Yeah, because I think same kind of roles were coming, third lead, fourth lead, or maybe they would block you for 25 days, minimum guarantee, which nothing happened. They would call me for 3 days. I would be sitting home for 20 days, waiting for my turn. Okay, fine, when is my track coming? So that is something which I didn't like. So I consciously took a decision in 2008 where I said, okay, fine, I'll sit home, but I'll work if I feel satisfied, if I'm happy. I would like to work then. And yes, I think things happened. After a wait of 8 months, I think hosting started. And then there was no looking back. I think people loved my hosting. People loved me as a host. And I hope the same love comes my way as an actor also.
How did Mickey Virus come about?
See, Mickey Virus, I met our writer-director Saurabh Verma for something else because I was looking for movies because as I thought I wanted to get into movies now. So I met him for something else and he said, I'm making a film called Mickey. I said, okay, fine, my name is Mickey. He said, really? I said, yeah, people at home call me Mickey. He said, okay, Manish, this guy is from Delhi, Malvinagar. I said, okay, excuse me, I'm from Delhi and I'm from Malvinagar. He said, impress mat kar. Casting ho chuki hai. I said, no, I'm not trying to impress you. But then we generally had a long chat. I was telling him, I said, okay, fine, your cast is final, but if you don't mind, I'll give you some suggestions. He said, yeah. So that way he's very good, he's always open for suggestions. I gave him some words. He was very happy. He said, yeah, they sound good. But the meeting was adjourned and we met. I got a call from him after 10 days. He said, Manish, would you do my film? I said, your cast was final. He said, no, yeah, since the time I've met you, the face which comes to my mind when I say Mickey is you. So I think you should do the film. I said, okay, I'll do it. He said, no, you listen to the script, then you say yes. I said, okay. So we had a narration, which I thought I'll be bored in 1 hour. Because I'm generally very restless in life. But I was sitting through for 2.5 hours and I had a great time and that's when I said, okay, fine, I'm on.
Your co-star Ellie, right now she's in the Big Boss house. So, your first film and actually, riding on your shoulders, how does that feel? I mean, you're doing all the promotions solo.
I feel good, I thank my director and my producers that they think I am that capable that I can take it forward.
Then are you missing her for the promotions?
Absolutely. I think she should have been here. I would have loved that. But I think she's doing her bit in Big Boss house and she's doing it well.
A lot of actors that we talk to, especially the ones who've come from TV, theatre, they always say that, we want to be actors and not stars. While a certain group believe that it's a lie. Everybody wants to be a star.
I want to be a star.
Where are you at?
I want to be a star. I'm very clear on that. Yes, obviously, I want to be an actor. Obviously, if you're not an actor, you can't be a star. That's what I believe in. Today, Shah Rukh Khan is a star. That's because he's a good actor too. So I'm very clear. I want to be a star. I won't lie on that.
I like the honesty totally.
Yeah, absolutely. I worked hard for it.
Brutal honesty,
I've left everything in Delhi and I'm here. Yes, I'm here to be a star. So let's hope for the best.
Way to
My
go.
fingers crossed.
Because of the Delhi Connect and Mickey Virus and Vicky Donor, that kind of thing, there have been a lot of comparisons with Ayushmann.
Yeah.
Tell us about that. How do you feel about that?
Oh, I
and
think
also
this
the fact
is
that you've sung the song, right?
This is the 56,000th time this question has
been
come
asked
my
to
way.
you.
No, but it's completely okay. I think it's the day I signed the film, I was ready for this because I knew that this is going to happen, this is going to come my way. And I don't think there's anything wrong in that because number one, I think Ayushmann is a good guy to be compared with.
Yeah.
Yes, he's sung a song, he's done films. He was a host, I am a host. I'm a Punjabi, he's a Punjabi, he's sung, I've sung in the film.
Yeah.
So,
A lot of parallels,
things are happening, but it's not a conscious decision that I wanted to do that.
Karan Johar keeps talking about casting you. How far has that gone?
Yeah, I think, see, Karan sir and me, we share a very good relation.
Yeah.
I think he's very sweet, very supportive. The kind of relation we have, we don't really talk about ki sir aap mujhe film kab doge. I don't like to do that, I've always worked, I believe in one thing, that if you have talent, if people believe in you, they will definitely give you work. Not ki, hello sir, how are you sir? This, I don't believe in that.
Strategy thing doesn't work.
No, it doesn't work
So
for
you didn't
me.
have to ever go to direct and ask for work? Did you have to go through the entire... Or have you ever seen a movie and said, maybe I can approach a person for this role?
No, I don't mind approaching. I'm not saying, oh, excuse me, I will not approach you. It's not that. But I don't think one should beg. I think if people believe in you, if today Karan Johar says, which he has said, Karan sir said that, Manish, I know you're a good actor. Would definitely like to work with you, but I would love to have a good script for you.
Correct, yeah.
Which I believe in. And I've said, brilliant. So the day he has a script, I'm damn sure he'll give me a call. So I believe in that kind of a relation rather than, pestering somebody that, oh, did you get a film? Do I have a role? Will you give me a film? So I think it can get irritating. So I don't want to irritate people here. Everybody is busy. Everybody is thinking. Everybody is, working. So I'm damn sure that a lot of big directors, if they watch my film and if they like my work, then they'll definitely call me.
You have an advantage, Manish, because you were hosting a show like Jhalak, which is very popular, and you had the biggest stars come on your show. So your advantage is that, the biggest stars of Bollywood, they all know you.
Yeah.
Is that, do you look at that as an advantage?
That is, I think that worked really for me because I think starting from Salman Khan to Ranbir Kapoor to Farah Khan to Madhuri
They will be promoting your film also.
Karan Johar, Shah Rukh Khan, everybody thankfully recorded something for me for my film, which has turned out to be a great promo for our film. It actually happened, I was sitting on the set one day and it clicked. I said, oh, big stars are coming. Everybody comes, talks about my film to me personally, not really on the set, but I said, okay, not bad. Let me think about it. And I said, okay, fine, let's start recording. I started recording these people. I said, just say a line for me. So they said, yeah, happily, Anil sir, he said, yeah, you come to my van, we'll record it. He recorded, then he saw, delete kar, ek aur karenge, So I love that. And few people had, Salman sir, I said, Salman sir, I want a line. Yeah, sure. Kya bolna hai? I said, sir, whatever you feel like. So he just made his line and, so I was happy.
You see, industry is a very tough place. To make an entry over is really tough and it's kind of fairly closed. How has your experience been?
I think I won't say that it wasn't difficult. Obviously, I come from a background where nobody is from Bollywood. Everybody is very padaku. My father is a chartered accountant. Brother is into investments, planning. My sister is in a buying house. So, mother is a housewife. She's the only filmy in my house because she's the one who would always
That's
say...
why you get a filmy quotient.
Yeah, absolutely. She's exactly like Kiran Kher of Om Shanti Om. She would always say that, tu jarur hero banega.
Really?
So yeah, see that, the moment I saw the film, I couldn't stop laughing. I said, oh God, that's my mother's
That's your
line,
mom?
So yes, it was a little difficult getting till here. But I think, I won't say it's been very rough. There have been phases. I've been sitting at home looking for work. There have been rejections, big time, from a lot of people. But I don't feel bad.
But how did you deal with that phase? Did you once think that, let me just give up and go back to Delhi? This is not my scene.
I just have one problem. I hate giving up. Be it anything. If I want something, then I keep working hard, to get that. Not that I get arrogant, no, ab to main leke hi manunga. Not like that. But I like to challenge myself that, come on, yaar, I can do it, So I believe in that.
Did any godfather backing you, anyone who you like take
Don't
advice
really have a
from?
godfather yet, but I
Yeah.
think all these people from the industry, I think everybody is becoming a godfather to me, which is very good.
Which is one actress you would love to romance on screen?
Actress.
Yeah.
Katrina Kaif.
Anyway, that is
I
quick.
think I would love to romance her. I think I find her very beautiful.
Yeah.
So I think और हमारी heights भी अच्छी match करती हैं. So I think yeah. And another one I think is Deepika Padukone. So these two are on my list.
Thank you so much. It was superb talking to you. A lot of fun.
Thanks a
for
lot.
being
Yeah.
on the
Thank you
show.
so much. Thanks.